Hello and welcome to 7 Energy's Holistic Channel. You know already that cinnamon is a popular spice that's often used in baking and cooking. But did you know that cinnamon also has some surprising health benefits? In this video, we're going to share with you some of the amazing benefits of cinnamon. First up, cinnamon can help lower blood sugar levels. Cinnamon contains compounds that can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, which is especially beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. Next, cinnamon can help fight bacterial and fungal infections. Cinnamon contains powerful antimicrobial properties that can help fight oral infections and bad breath. Cinnamon can also help fight acne and other skin infections when applied topically. Finally, cinnamon is packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to the development of chronic diseases. These are the surprising benefits of cinnamon. Next time you're in the kitchen, consider adding some cinnamon to your recipes or try drinking cinnamon tea for a delicious and healthy way to enjoy this amazing spice. We hope you found this video informative and that you will start to enjoy the amazing benefits of cinnamon. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Your support means lots to me.